Tractor.
Okay. Tractor is at home watching TV. Suddenly, lightning strikes the TV antenna. Help me! The house is on fire. Wake up, fire truck! Wake up, crane! The fire alarm is ringing. Fire truck and crane rush to the rescue. Help me! Let's go!
Fire truck. Crane truck.
Let's go! Crane breaks open the door and goes in to save tractor. Fire truck sprays a big stream of water. Okay. The fire is finally out. Tractor is safe. Thank you. Wow, it's a nice slide. Okay. Fire truck gives tractor a good wash. It's amazing. Oh no, the house is burned down. Oh no. Okay, let's go. Okay.
Dump truck.
Crane calls dump truck, and they all work together to build a new home. Good job. Dump truck brings building materials. Okay, I like. Look at this. It's my time. I like it. Crane puts up the walls. Wow, it's a nice slide. Good job. Let's go. Okay. Then installs the roof. Amazing. I like it. Hey! It's my time. Dump truck delivers doors and windows. Let's go. Okay. They fix the windows and add decorations. Good job. It's amazing. It's so nice. Finally, they build the front door. The new house is ready. Hey! Let's go! Okay. Everyone gathers inside the new home to watch TV together. Bye-bye! Hey guys! If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye! See you next time!